In this lecture, I'm going to share with you the best method to find the graphic design clients online. Basically, this method is best method because you can find infinite graphic design clients using this method, and the list of clients will never end. But you can find unlimited graphic design clients, and which are potential clients, and which can pay you a lot more money than these three methods I have told you about. Okay, so what you have to do, basically you have to search for businesses on Google and you can reach out to them. It seems a bit difficult, but if it's implemented properly, you can make a lot money from that. How? Let's just check. First of all, you just have to go to Google and search for first of all you have to define the niche. Let's suppose I want to target the real estate businesses, and one more thing, that I want to target real estate businesses in a specific area. I'll be pitching them the services. So real estate agencies in Vancouver, I'll search for that. This is just for an instance, and this is just for an idea. You can just target anything else. Now we'll be just targeting Google My Business, so I'll just click on more businesses. So the first pages of Google My Business, these are all managed by social media teams, and because these are big companies, so what you can do is you can just go to last pages, because in last pages you will find two types of businesses. First one, the ones who are old, like old school businesses. They don't have social profiles, they have potential, they have money, but they are not active on social media. You can convince them. The second ones are the new ones, which have just started and looking for someone to design graphics for them, design content for them. So what you just have to do is you just have to click on their profile, go to their website, and find their social profiles here. Just go to contact us or about section, and you will find their profile. Not contact us, but just go to about section, and maybe you could find some Instagram or Facebook profile here. You couldn't find it. Okay, so live in central city.ca, the name is, yeah, this one. So we'll just search for this. Here's their LinkedIn profile, and let's just search for Facebook as well. Now here you can see what the importance of Facebook and Instagram in real estate, that they have been producing the content. They are just posting the links, but they are not just posting the proper content. The guy is, I think, interested in posting the content, is a bit active, but not that much active that is required. So you can just reach out to that guy. Just click on message, or you can reach out via WhatsApp, and you just have to copy and paste the script on their Facebook page or on their Instagram profile. You just have to go and you just have to paste this copy and paste this message. First of all, business inquiry, then hello, hey, I just came across your Facebook page or Instagram page, and want to say that you are doing great. I am then your name. I am a graphic designer and content manager. I would love to create engaging posts and infographics that can help your boost your business growth. Let me know if you are interested, and just send this message to the guy. So you will get a reply, you can convince them, and you can get infinite amount of clients with this method, believe me. And here you can produce the content for their company page, their personal profiles, and that's how you can just reach out to each page. You can get to them and you can ask them to create content for them. These are all untraditional methods, cold methods, but believe me, these works well and these works best. So you can just you can ask them for other services as well, and you can use services, you can just provide them other services as well. And I think that's all about this method, and I hope you like this method.